Manage user maps. User chart objects are associated with user charts, which can be managed. A user chart is a layer where the user objects are stored. To open an already created user chart, access the user map from the menu title bar and click on the Select User Map. Select the desired user chart and confirm with OK. The selected user chart is displayed on the screen. To clear the displayed user chart from the screen, access the User Map menu and click on Select User Map. Merging user maps. This ECDIS provides the merging function, which merges the objects of two user maps in one. To merge user maps, access the User Map Editor window. Open the first user map. And move the mouse at the top of the screen to display the relevant menu. Then click File and select Merge. Select the user map to be merged from the dialog box and confirm with OK. The objects of both user maps are displayed on the screen. Click Save in the User Map Editor menu to merge the user maps and replace the first file. Otherwise, select the Save As option to create a new file. Exporting user maps. The already created user maps are saved in CSV format. Access the User Map Editor menu and select File. Export. Click on the File Name text field to rename the file, if necessary. Select the drive and confirm the exporting with OK. Importing user maps. To import a user chart, access the User Map Editor window. Go to the User Map Editor menu. Open File, and select Import. Choose a file format to be used at the destination. From the displayed dialog box, select the desired file to be imported, and confirm with OK. User Map Settings. To change the initial settings of a new user map object, go to the Editing menu and select Edit. Click Setting and adjust based on your preferences. To save the changes, click Apply, and OK. LOP, Position Fix. The ECDIS continually displays current position information. However, it is crucial to verify the position at appropriate intervals. This can be performed by line of position. Creating LOPs. The line of position function is provided as an aid to the navigator. It is used to determine the owned ship's position, based on observed reference points. To access the LOP function, go to the menu title bar. Open Main, LOP, and select Create LOP. In the displayed dialog box, the owned ship's position is set as the reference point. To insert the first LOP, click on the observed reference point on the chart area. Choose between the bearing, or range, and enter the required value in the numerical field. Press Enter to set the value. To adjust the time of observation, for each LOP, set the date and time in the respective field. Confirm by clicking Enter. And set LOP. Position Fix, by 2 LOPs. The position fixed by LOPs depends on the area of navigation, and the availability of suitable chart objects. Set 2 LOPs according to your measurements. And click on Select Crosspoint. The relevant dialog box opens, and the coordinates of the intersection are displayed. Click Reference Point to move the owned ship to the selected reference point. Click Apply, and OK to confirm. The owned ship position on the display panel is indicated with a light blue background. The alarm list displays position shift. Position Fix by 3 LOPs. If the position fix has 3 or more lines, then an information window pops up. Click OK to close it. The displayed dialog box requires adding the coordinates of the LOPs. Select all the reference points in the chart area. And click Reference Point to set the cross point. Confirm with Apply, and OK. Note: when the owned ship's position is determined via LOPs, the offset between the current EPFS position and the determined position is automatically applied. Therefore, the owned ship's position is automatically shifted on the chart area. This behavior might have serious implications for the safety of navigation, especially with high offset values. Nonetheless, once the determined position has been accepted, the offset should be cleared. Delete LOPs. To delete the already created LOPs, access Main, LOP, and select Delete all LOP. All the LOPs are removed from the chart area. Running Fix. In this ECDIS, the Running Fix function is a useful tool to measure distance and bearing, to a reference point. To enable this function, right-click on the chart, and select Running Fix from the context menu. The EBL and VRM are displayed on the chart. The EBL and VRM of own ship can be monitored against the fixed position at all times. To delete the running fix, right-click on the chart, and select Remove Running Fix from the context menu. Note: this feature should not be confused with the running fix process of determining a position fix with only one reference point. Man overboard. Man overboard. In the event of a man overboard incident, click on the MOB button in the display panel. The MOB point is marked, and is indicated with an anchor on the chart area. The MOB panel appears in the display panel, and contains the following information: the position of the MOB point, the bearing from own ship to the MOB point, the range from own ship to the MOB point, expressed in nautical miles, kilometers, or sea miles, the required time to go back to the MOB at current speed. Deleting a man overboard. There are two ways to delete the man overboard. In the display panel, press and hold the MOB button for 3 seconds or more. In the operation panel, press the MOB key for 3 seconds or more. The MOB panel closes, and the relevant symbol disappears from the chart. Event Marker. The ECDIS provides the option to enter event mark at the ship's position. To enable this function, either click on the event mark symbol in the chart info area, or open chart in the menu title bar. Go to Marking, Highlighting, and click Event Mark. To edit the attributes of the event mark, click in the relevant field. Click OK, and the event mark is added to the chart. Deleting event markers. To delete an event mark, open the chart menu. Move the cursor over Marking, Highlighting. Select the Delete Event Mark option. From the displayed list, select the event mark and click Delete. General Sensor Overview. The external sensor data is displayed, and can be monitored in the display panel. The following sensor information and their source are displayed. Heading: Speed through water. Course and speed over ground. Date and time. Position. Horizontal datum. Depth. Other information on the on-ship. Additional sensor information can be displayed in the Other Information part of the display panel. Via the Drift tab, set and drift can be monitored. Color code for sensor data. To display the status of sensor data in the display panel, different colors are used. Normal or set color. Valid sensor data. All sensors connected to the ECDIS are available and functioning properly. Yellow color. The reliability of the sensor value is deteriorated. Sensor information is doubtful. Yellowish or orange color. Lost sensor, invalid sensor data, or sensor value is abnormal. Sensor alert. When a sensor source is lost for more than 15 seconds, the ECDIS triggers a visual warning in the display panel. The status of sensor data in the display panel changes. An audible signal arises. Position integrity. The ECDIS offers to cross-check the accuracy of the position sensors with each other. Access main. Select Settings. And choose Alert Settings. Set the desired value for the difference between POSN1 and POSN2. Tick the checkbox to activate the function. It triggers an alarm when the set limit is exceeded. Display discrepancy. Access main. Open sensor. And select the display checkbox in the POSN2 box. The secondary position is displayed in orange on the chart. Switching of sensor source. To switch a sensor source, access the main menu and choose Sensor. Use the drop-down menus to change the source for the desired sensor. Access system configuration. To unlock the Serviceman menu, open the main menu and click on Code Input. Enter 0 into the code input, and confirm with Enter. CCRP setting. To set the exact position of GPS and radar antenna, open the Serviceman menu and select Installation, CCRP setting. Furthermore, the CCRP position is set up here, in relation to the vessel's length and beam. The software provides the option to establish up to 4 CCRPs. To activate a reference point, select the respective CCRP radio button. Note: The latitude and longitude data received from the GPS is compensated and displayed as the CCRP latitude and longitude. If the GPS and/or radar antenna are not set up correctly, an AIS symbol and a radar echo might not be displayed at their actual position. Select Secondary Position Source. To change the secondary position source, access the main menu and choose Sensor. Use the drop-down menus to change the source for POSN1 and POSN2. Dead reckoning. In the event of total EPFS failure, the ECDIS provides the option to switch to dead reckoning. To switch to dead reckoning, open the drop-down menu to change the POSN source for the desired sensor to dead reckoning. If dead reckoning mode is active, it is displayed in the display panel. The old ship position is calculated on the current heading and speed through water. In addition, the line of position function can be used to correct the position during dead reckoning mode. Manual position offset. If a constant deviation is known, the position error can be corrected manually. Access Own Ship or Track. Select Adjust and choose one of the following to set an offset. Cursor. Confirm the pop-up window and select a position on the chart. Enter position. Enter the desired position. And confirm with OK. Enter offset. Enter the offset and confirm with OK. The plot type, source, and time of the offset can be adjusted. This additional information is visible in the log, for example, to review the offset. To clear the offset, select the respective option.